Hi, good morning. This is Srikanth, Assistant Professor in EEE Department in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today I am explaining the power electronic lab experiment AC voltage regulator. AC voltage regulator is nothing but which converts a fixed AC into variable AC where the frequency is constant, magnitude is varying. Now we will go through the circuit. Here in the AC voltage controller we will be having the two thyristors are connected anti-parallelly. Two thyristors T1, T3 are connected anti-parallelly, and these the input is given to the input side of the thyristors, and the output side of the thyristor is connected to the load, and load other end is connected to the neutral point of the transformer. Now let me start the connections. First I am giving the gate signals for the SCR. T1 gate, T1 cathode, T3 gate, and T3 cathode, the input 30 volts, and I am shorting the input side of the SCRs. After short circuiting the output side of the SCRs, which is connected to the load. And the load other end is connected to the neutral point of the transformer. And here, where I am switching on the supply. Once the supply is given, we need to switch on the triggering circuit. Yes. Once if we switch on the triggering circuit, immediately we will get the sine wave because the firing angle is at 0 degrees. Firing angle is at 0 degrees. This is the output voltage waveform with 0 degrees. Now, when we are changing the firing angle, automatically the voltage magnitude is reduces by using the firing angle control, or it is also called as phase angle control. Now I am keeping the firing angle at 30 degrees. Firing angle at 30 degrees. When it is at 30 degrees, immediately the output voltage waveform is shifted here. Initially it is at 0. Now it is at 30 degrees. From 30 degrees it is started, and it is after the 30 degrees it is following the sine function. Like that, in the both positive and negative off cycle voltages are changing. So when the firing angle is increases, the output voltage reduces. Now again, when this is the first waveform which we need to note down at 30 degrees, and then after at 60 degrees, we need to note down the next waveform with the change in the firing angle. Here the delay is increased. This delay is taken as a firing angle delay. And now we need to increase it to 90. When it is at 90 degrees, exactly half of the sine wave we are going to get in the output. This is the output voltage which we are going to get for 90 degrees firing angle. When we increase till up to 120, this will be the voltage waveform for 120 degrees. In both positive and negative off cycle is controlled. That is why It is called AC voltage controller or AC voltage regulator. The voltage is regulating continuously by varying the firing angle. And this is at 150 degrees. This is the voltage. Like this, we'll get the continuous change in the firing angle with the change in firing angle. This is the way we'll get the control in the output voltage. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.